Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our back. Rest your arms at your sides, close your eyes, and take some deep, calming breaths. You have the option to place your hands on your belly as you continue to take your deep breaths. Slowly begin to bend your knees as you plant your feet on your bed. Lower your legs to the left side, coming into a stacked supine twist. Your right leg is stacked on top of the left. Open your arms wide. Make your way to the other side. Let's make our way into the fetal position on our right side. So just rolling over onto that right side. And now roll over onto your belly, coming into your Sphinx pose. Pressing those forearms into the bed. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. And now left ear to left shoulder. Again, right ear, right shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. Rest your left cheek on the backs of your palms. Let's make our way into a half frog pose by working our right knee up towards the direction of our elbow. Switch sides. Let's come back to center and then roll onto your left side, coming into the fetal position. Let's roll onto our back. This time, you're going to place a pillow behind your head. Close your eyes and rest. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.